Hello, welcome to Otis Place. Today I'll be sharing a super growth oil with you, my DIY hair growth oil. This is the mix I've been using for some years and it has been good for me, so I decided to share it with you guys. Watch this video to the end to see how I use this oil. Without further ado, let's start. So the first oil we're going to use is Emu Oil. Emu oil is a very great oil for the hair. It's gotten from the fat deposits of emu, which is an Australian bird. Emu oil is rich in vitamin E, vitamin A, oleic acid, which is known to regenerate cells. So if you have dead follicles, emu oil could help regenerate them. Emu oil is a good penetrating oil. It penetrates the scalp very well because of its small molecular size, and this is similar to the composition of the oil on our skin. Emu oil has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce hair loss. It helps reduce oxidative stress on the scalp. It is a good moisturizer for the hair. It can help with hair regrowth. It has shown promise in awakening dead, dormant hair follicles. The next oil I'll be using is Argan Oil. Argan Oil is one of my favorite oils. It is made from the kernel of the argan tree. Argan trees are found in the southwestern part of Morocco. And argan oil is also referred to as liquid gold because it is so good and because of the gold color. Argan oil promotes faster hair growth. It is a natural dandruff treatment. It helps to give shine to the hair and gives it a silky structure. It is rich in antioxidants and omega-6 fatty acids. The next oil I'll be using is almond oil. Almond oil is gotten from the almond nuts. It is high in vitamin E and vitamin A. It can make hair stronger and less prone to split ends. It softens your hair, causing less friction during styling. It will minimize breakage that way. It helps fight scalp conditions. You have dandruff, psoriasis, and any other scalp condition. Almond oil could help treat that. So guys, these are the oils I'll be using. And I'll also be using essential oils, my essential oils. I'll be using tea tree oil, rosemary oil, peppermint oil, and lavender essential oil. Essential oils are very good for the hair. I'm going to make a video on essential oils and their uses, so watch out for that video. Rosemary improves the thickness of your hair. It promotes hair growth. It stimulates the scalp. Lavender essential oil has antimicrobial properties. It increases circulation to the hair follicles, resulting in strong, healthy hair. Peppermint essential oil has antimicrobial properties. It helps to unclog hair follicles, which could lead to hair growth. Tea tree essential oil helps to promote hair growth. It helps to clean your scalp. I'm going to be using this bottle. I like to mix mine in small batches. So yeah, this is the bottle I have. This is where I'm going to mix my essential oils. I like using dark bottles because it helps preserve the integrity of the oils. Now let's get to mixing this up. For this, I really do not measure strictly. I kind of eyeball it. I know the amount of each oil I want in my mix, so I just go with the flow. I don't measure strictly. So first we are using the argan oil. Argan oil is the oil that is going to be the most here. I'm going to put it a little more than halfway. You can see where I put it to reach. Then I'm going to put my emu oil. I'm going to put about 4 drops of the emu oil. You see how the consistency is. It's quite thick, so a little goes a long way. Then goes my almond oil. I'm not going to fill this container completely. I'm going to put it so that there will be space to put in my essential oils, and there'll be enough space to also shake it up. This hair growth oil will give you amazing results. It is what I've been using for a while, and I noticed that my hair is stronger and is growing quite well. So I'm going to put in the essential oils now. Not too much. Essential oils are concentrated, so a little goes a long way too. I think I'm going to put like 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. My rosemary essential oil is almost finished. Yeah, I wanted to put 5 drops, so I think I got a little more than that, but that's okay. Next is our lavender. The very first essential oil I used on my hair was lavender essential oil. Also putting 5 drops of that. Next is my tea tree essential oil. Guys, you know essential oils should not be used directly on your scalp. You need to dilute them. About 5 drops of tea tree essential oil too. Ten drops of peppermint essential oil. So I'm going to cover this and shake it up properly for everything to mix. And here's our super potent hair growth oil. This growth oil should not be washed out. Do not wash it out. Apply it depending on your need. If you're experiencing hair loss, you apply it more often than others. I think I'll advise you to apply it at night and massage your scalp lightly. So here is our hair growth oil. I'm just going to show you how I use it on my scalp. Guys, if you've been watching and you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe the channel. When you subscribe, click on the notification bell so that when videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. So yeah, this is how I use it on my scalp. A little goes a long way. You don't need to put so much. I use this oil about 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how the weather is. Sometimes 2 times, sometimes when the place is really dry. Like I live in Nigeria, during the Harmattan period, I use this almost every day on my scalp. You massage properly. Just make sure you massage. I've said it before, I'm tender-headed, so I don't massage too much. Yeah guys, so this is my thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comment section which are your favorite oils to use. Do you make your own hair growth oil? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you use. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.